What's up, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? This is Mike on Trushine cleaning. Out here at a new client home. I got everything set up. I already been vacuumed the carpet, already pre-sprayed. And the funny thing is, this client actually found me on YouTube. It's the first client to ever find me on YouTube. So, actually, pretty cool about that. I did some changing in the settings of my YouTube channel, so I'm thinking that's probably how she was able to find me. So I got these 2 rooms in the hallway. Already agitated. I got a video of the agitation. Didn't really get a video of the carpet being vacuumed because they did a good job vacuuming it. So, that's pretty much it. So, show you guys this living room as I'm cleaning. I'm gonna knock the hallway out, knock the room out, and I'm gonna show you guys the living room area. Okay. You've seen how this looked at first. That's a big difference. So, alright, you guys, so here goes the finished results of the carpet. This area lighted up pretty good, but it was a heavily soiled area.